Hi guys, this is Corey with Sellercore Auction Template Editor. Today I'm going to be talking about the Sellercore HTML template generator and how to change the layout of that a little bit. So by default, the layout comes in 3 stacked rows. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom 2 rows and we're going to put them side by side like this. Pretty easy to do, but I'm going to walk you through it real quick. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Sellercore.com, which I have here, and then your generator button that loads this page is right here. So when the page loads, you'll see 3 sections. You'll see the top form section, the center preview section, and the bottom is our HTML code. So today I'm going to be working with the bottom shipping and terms of sale. So I can close this and I'm going to open these two. Okay. So by default, the shipping box, when I highlight this, you'll see the yellow down here. This is 100% of our outer frame. And of course this one's 100% as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make both of these 50% and line them up next to each other. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll go up here, I'm going to go to my CSS editor, we'll open that. We're going to do our size, make this 50%, change pixel to percent. Then we're going to go to spacing. I have to get rid of my padding here, make that 0. Display. By default, divs don't want to line up next to each other, so I got to tell it to display it as an inline block, which will tell it to line up next to the next div. And also because if this isn't the same height as this, the content in here, they won't line up together, so I want them both to line up at top. So vertical line top. And there we go. We can see that I put it in here, and if I were to highlight this, it's 50% of the screen. This one, of course, is still 100%. So we're going to go in here. Do the same thing. Go to our size, 50%, spacing, 0 padding, display inline block, vertical line, top. There it is, lined up next to each other. You can see if I scroll over this, 50% there, 50% there. Alright, so next thing I want to do is, I'm not crazy about this gap right here. And basically what's happening here is that we have our header set to 85%. So that 85% is not of the whole frame, it's of the outer block, which is there. So it's 85% from here to here. So all we have to do is just widen that up a little bit, and I'm going to do the same for the content area, which is set at 82%. So I'll go to my little header. I'll make this from 85, we'll go 95. You can see I stretched it. And from the content, we'll change 82% to, we'll do 90%. You see that stretched it out. So all we got to do is just do the same thing to this one. 95 and our 90%. And there we go. That closed that gap a little bit and definitely looks better. So the reason I set them to a vertical line top, like I said, if this were to have more information in it and be stretched out, if they weren't aligned top, this would be floating in the middle. And that's it, guys. Of course, here's our HTML. We can copy this and paste it directly into eBay. Or you can open it back up into the editor like we have here. And of course I can add pictures and whatever else I need in here. Alright guys, this is Corey with Sellercore.com, the free auction template editor. Please leave any questions or comments below. Thank you.